Hello. Mercedes ML rear sum, and it was many rust on it. I have cleaned rust everything with toothbrush and this control unit. Some looks nice, but after everything works, but not working with fuel meter, how much diesel I have in tank, and it's not works. I got another one at all not works with another sum. Maybe it's more damage. And what I have done, I have measured, I found out which one pins is for fuel meter. Is pin is connection 1 2 3 4 5, this one connection, and pin number 27, first one, and this one, and pin number 33 is this one. Pin number 33 is like ground, and those two is left tank, this is right tank. And for in my case was a right tank short circuit, and after many time spent on this unit, I have found that this one, you see this resistor, it's for left tank. Here what is missing, it's for right tank. And in my another control unit, this one was bad. I have measured it. This is, I think, 3.3 kilo ohm, and my was showing is like null, is showing not right. I have taken from this one and installed in another one, and finally it's wake up, and now it's working. Just one small resistor and finish. Not working. So if you have problem like this, you can try. Maybe in your case also problem is this small green resistor. I cannot focus how much it have. Something around 3000. So, and now tank meter shows again, and everything works. Okay, see you later.